If you work with large datasets, there can be a need to create a search functionality that allows you to quickly highlight cells for the search term. We can create search functionality using conditional formatting. In cell B2 we have a search box. We can type a keyword and all matching rows will be highlighted. To create a search box, go to the Developer tab. From the Insert box, choose Text Box. Draw this text box. Right-click on this text box and choose Properties. In Linked Cell link to cell B2, go to the Developer tab and unselect the Design Mode option. To use the conditional formatting, firstly select the dataset. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting. In the drop-down options, choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, click on the option Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula. The combined effect of the AND function is that conditional formatting will be applied only if both conditions are met. The text in B2 is found within the text in cell A5. The value in B2 is not empty. If both conditions are true, the formula returns true, and the conditional formatting is applied. Click on the Format button. Specify the formatting. Click OK. And now we can type anything in cell B2. Matching rows will be highlighted. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.